Morning. It's Saturday at the Forgotten Angels camp out. You didn't need an alarm this morning because everybody was leaving for breakfast at 8:30.
All right.
And we had a lot of V-twin alarm clocks going off. So we're going up now. I hear there's breakfast up front. I'm still trying to wake up. Every time I started to go back to my tent and go to sleep last night, I bumped into somebody else that I just had to talk with. So yeah, I'm still trying to get kick started. Here I am. So we're gonna go find some breakfast. This is the nice guy that gave me beef jerky last night.
Yeah. It's more for later.
Wanna ride it? All right, go. Oh no.
Why not? Fall in love with it.
Oh, where's my camera?
I'll tell you what, I'm gonna record you while you're riding. Go left. Hard left. And then go make a right behind that tent and then go up and around, yeah. And then take off. I got some gears. Tell me that thing ain't fun.
That is awesome.
All right.
Slap it on. Make sure it's crooked though.
I don't know whether to make the name crooked or the drop crooked.
I need to be in all.
There's plenty more to come, I hope.
Did I kick you in the butt?
Yeah, you got my.
Good.
We missed that one.
Just your butt.
It's all right. My Coke can saved me.
Heck yeah.
Hell yeah, you ready? So, what is their thing about buying some of those?
You want me to hold your beer?
Just use everything on the left.
Left, left, left.
No, right. Use everything on the right.
Use everything on the right. Don't try to
Don't
grab
use the
the
left.
The ball.
Right.
You know, when I moved out, I didn't have, you know, the knowledge I needed to be successful, but I had a support network to stand behind me. And this is something they told me, and I'm not trying to claim that I came up with this, but it stuck with me. These young men and hopefully future women don't have that support network. And there is not a better support network in the world than the motorcycle network. You know what I mean? So to have you all here and have you all supporting them and showing them it's okay to have a good time and still be responsible, still take care of business is really important. And I can't thank you all enough for being part of this. I'm excited to be part of it. I'm going to support you moving forward. You know, I always like to meet someone before I go too heavy in supporting them. And now that I've met you, I can say 100% I am going to push forward for you year and year to come. So what you're doing is amazing. Hopefully we raise a bunch of amazing people. And on behalf of my campground, the K River Campground, I'd like to donate $500 to your cause and say, you know, thank you very much. We appreciate you and what you're doing out here. And God bless you all. Enjoy the riding.
Man, that was really good. You practice that in the mirror at home or what?
Get up, get up.
What's going on, man?
Okay, I have a lot of... Any of you on Discord? I know you are.
I know.
I'm not on Discord.
You're not?
No.
What?
I'm the worst social media person ever.
Right. You're not alone, homie.
Nice.
I barely have Facebook.
No, I'm good, thanks. I'm good. I'm good.
Hey, sure, get a little can you hold my beer?
Sure. Are you gonna ride it?
My beer.
This is the famous William Dafoe's Green Goblin. All in one piece. It's running. Fabulous, fabulous bike. Glad she got it running. Being a Sportster 1200 owner myself, this is a beautiful bike, and I wish mine was more like this one. But it is an absolutely beautiful bike. Gosh, what more can I say? Next.
Come on, Wayne, let's do it. Let's do it, baby. Oh, fuck!
Shit.
God damn, Wayne! Fuck! Fuck! And you came down with like all the force of the world.
I did not.
Force of the world.
Oh, 98 pounds. 98 pounds.
God!
My 98 pounds.
I'm blaming him, not the beer. Wayne dropped the gold. Fuck you, Wayne. Wayne dropped mine. You're in control.
Holy Mike, I have something to admit. I've always wondered what it was like to sit on the queen.
Alright, come on, one more. Hey, be nice. That was not nice. Hey.
Oh man, this is so comfortable.
Alright, man, here we go.
Great, yeah. This is right.
You want to? Come here, boy. Here, you can get the medal. Yeah, get a sandwich. Yeah.
You know, your guys' tattoos make my salary look like a joke.
Oh, he loves that. Yo, perfect.
Let's go, motherfucker.
I'm sure there's people I haven't met yet. What I would like you to do is find me, come introduce me. One of the things what happens when we're out here is someone will come up, they'll say hi to me, tell me a little bit of their story, pat me on the back and walk away and say, I'm sorry, I won't bother you again. That's a real bizarre thing for me to hear to say, because what could you possibly, could you possibly bother me? The only thing, they're like, you're so busy. All I'm doing right now is drinking beer and having fun, baby.
Hi. Hi, Candy. Hi, guys. I love you guys. This is fucking amazing. Look at this. What? Really? Round of applause for yourself. All right. What do I say?
We love you guys.
The name of the winner is Kimberly McHale Richer. Are you here?
Kimberly!
Yeah, Shelby, you can get it. She's from Ohio. She's from Ohio. Is she here?
From Ohio, that sounds awful.
Kimberly, are you here, girl? Run to the front, fast as fuck. Come here. Should we call her? Yeah! Should we call her or FaceTime her?
Michaela?
Kimberly!
Again, we need you to turn down the music.
Here, turn that music down, bitch. Damn. She's got like all of 3 minutes, or I'm gonna Puerto Rican call her like 400 times in a row. Until she fucking answers.
Listen up. Say hello to Kimberly, everybody. You want a Ford Ranger and a fucking Harley Davidson.
Oh, she's screaming. Do it again.
Got shade tree surgery. He's gonna talk to you for a minute.
minute.
All right, here's one thing I'll tell you right now, Kimberly. Listen up, baby. There's 3 or 4 girls I know in my life, and a few of them are named Kimberly, and every single one of them have broke my heart.
Are you crying now?
It's real, baby.
You okay if we fly you down to Florida and pick this thing up? All right, we're gonna continue our festivities here. Congratulations! Everybody want to congratulate Kimberly? Congratulations! Hey, on behalf of Cindy Tilley, David Tyler, Forgotten Angels, all the people who support us, thank you for buying the tickets. Congratulations. We'll see you in a few weeks.
She's freaking out.
Make it weird, make it weird, make it weird, make it weird. Oh yeah! There we go. Where's the guy? Whoa!
What you know about rolling down in the deep when his brain goes up, he can call him to freeze when he's made it too much. Do the shit in slow motion. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. I asked for you. Still you love me. I tell you one and one makes three. Oh, I'm the cult of personality. Like Joseph Stalin and Gandhi. Oh, I'm the cult of personality. Cult of personality. The cult of personality.
Road Queen Sarah, wish you were here to see next year.
No, that's not it. That was perfect. Road Queen Sarah.
I did it all by myself. Because let me tell you, the only person that matters here is yours truly, baby. Shade Tree Surgeon says Road Queen Sarah. We'll see you next year, baby.
Awesome. Thanks, guys. So both of these bucks got one last night. Some lucky person won both of these. and that thing over there, but I mean, really, who cares? All right, so we're final day. We're about to pack up. Did not do a whole lot of showing, but this was our setup. This is the old girl acting like a coat rack. Man, can't say how much fun we've had, but it's time to pack it up. We're gonna run around and say our goodbyes, and so it's been absolute magic. I have never done anything as fun as this in my life. This is like going to summer camp when you were a kid, and then when you leave, you have a million friends that you can always say hi to.
That's right.
So I'm sure we will see you on the road. We'll see you at the next camp out. We'll see you at Eureka Springs, or we'll see you here in October.
Always.
So
Always on Discord.
So we'll see you around.
Sure thing.
Bye.
See ya.
Ding it here. KC, say goodbye, everybody.
Peace out.
Bye.
Yeah. I gotcha.
So I'm here with Shaker. We were neighbors the whole weekend, and I didn't even know. So
Then I found out I talk in my sleep.
and snore. All right. So next time, guys.
Take care.
Have a good one. Be safe. You will see you in October. For sure, man. All right. All right, so we're making the path. On the way out. And everybody's gone. Milk Toast Pacific Coast is still here. I think that's the one Biker Babe Beth was using, so that probably means she's still here. If you have not thought about coming to this fantastic party, you're missing out. All right, we're out. Say goodbye to the balloons. So we did have to pull off at one point because it was raining so hard I couldn't see the road, and we did find a underpass to hide under, and so it got clear. So now we're trying to make the final shot home. Wouldn't be so bad, except I didn't get my pants, so I'm soaked. Luckily I got butt heater and hand heater, so it's not really that bad, although less than optimal. But I'm gonna make it. Let's roll.